वयं सर्वे वनं गतवन्तः आयुर्वेद वृक्षाणि दृष्टवन्तः
and it can grow with the leaves. You know that? From the leaves it comes small branches. It will grow with the leaves.
How to use it?
As it is, we can munch the leaves and can eat. Yeah, as it is, we can eat the leaves.
There won't be
The plant will be.
This is for this side.
Huh? I am which side? This side or this side? ఏం చేసుకోవాలి
Taste.
Taste. It is not matter. It reduces all problem with menstrual problems. Yeah. Grow more. So that called Sudugatu Malli.
What is the name? Sudugatu Malli.
It is a very effective medicine for purify the blood circulation system. Blood purifier, we can say. In cancer drugs coming now, cancer medicines things. This is the main ingredient.
How are you supposed to use it?
Huh?
How are you supposed to use that?
You can make kasayam with leaves or flowers. This whole plant they are making like extract and making the medicines. This is exporting too much to the foreign. Foreign.
Outside India.
Spleen and liver. So that it suggests for sugar also.
In my place, they call it as diabetes plant.
தமிழ்ல இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒரே இது இந்த மாதிரி கல்வாழை இது மாதிரி பேர் இருக்கு, தனியா பேர் கிடையாது.
Okay, next.
Separate.
Hey, lemongrass.
Tension, stress in the body. It reduces the pains. It heals the skin problem also. Like that, multi-purpose is there. Use and put over the wounds. It cures the wounds. It stops the blood first. Stop the leakage of blood
If you have
immediately.
which plant name? Tatatala. Talagai poo.
And second plant, this one. Don't touch. Leave it. You come out.
Ray.
Come out. You are pressing so many plants.
అదే వద్దంటున్నారు కదా. The plant name one.
This is Paul Periki. If you pluck
Hey,
and
all of you listen.
it give so milky. It give more energy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Paul Periki.
Especially good for women's.
அந்த தாத்தா தலை பேர் என்னது?
அதுக்கு தனியா பேர் கிடையாது.
அதே பேர் தான்.
அதே பேர் தான்.
பால் பெருக்கி and தாத்தா தலை. That's why it's called grandpa head. In Tamil we call it tata tala. It's a medicinal plant. If you have cut wounds, you take it and rub it on it. Your blood clot will happen. Oh,
Kalakai.
kalakai.
This can make pickles like that. It is good for digestion and stomach, all the things. It gives bitter taste and sour taste.
So next time if you get fruit, we'll make it.
Now, hereafter it will come
In
vegetable.
in 2-3 weeks.
Second thing, to strengthen the liver.
What is the name?
Don't break.
Hey.
Hello.
What is the name?
Avarambu, Tamil.
Avaram poo in Tamil. In Telugu? Tangedu. Tangedu.
Okay.
What is it used for?
Reduce the blood
Strength. How do we use it?
or blood circulation.
Take the flower, use it like a
You can
tea.
make like kasayam.
Kasayam.
Flower. Like you can make tea also.
Tea.
Yeah, Nilavsiri.
நிலவுசிரி. ఈ చెట్టు పాము కరిస్తే
நிலவசிரி
எதுக்கு யூஸ் அது?
அதான் இதோட ஹோம் பிளான்ட் இது பண்ணலாம்.
எப்படி கசாயம் வச்சு
அரைச்சு குடிக்கலாம்.
இது பாம்பு கடிச்சா நல்லதா? எப்படி
என்ன விஷயமா இருந்தாலும் இத வந்து இது அரைச்சி பால் அரைச்சு குடிச்சோம்னா விஷத்தை பிரேக் பண்ணும்.
ஓகே. ఆ చెట్టు చూస్తున్నారు కదా, ఇది ఏదైనా విషయం ఉంటే మన బాడీలో
Now
దాన్ని
it is dry and it is being with seed and plant.
ఆ,
When it is being a small plant,
ఆ.
it seems like a chili plant. You go
ఏ
little.
పాము విషం అన్నా
This
ఏ
plant
విషం అన్నా
also.
వెంటనే అది ఇచ్చేసి తాగితే విషం పోతుందంట.
ఒక్కసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి అన్న.
ఓకే, ఈ చెట్టు చూసారు కదా, ఈ చెట్టు పాలల్లో వేసుకొని లేదా టీ లాగా చేసుకొని తాగితే ఒంట్లో ఉన్న విషం
Now-
పోతుందంట.
Now take the photo.
ఆ,
Still leaves.
అది తెలీదు, పాము గరిస్తే మట్టుకు పోతుంది. సరేనా?
Whatever insect bite. Anybody want to taste?
Hey, anybody want to say?
Taste.
Hey, wait.
నా లోపల విషయం చూసేస్తాను.
చేసి ఊయి
Yeah, it will be very taste. Bitter. Very hot and something like unconditional climate condition. For that, reduce that climatic condition and make body to access with that. For that area, the herbals will be available.
ఓకే.
To reduce the heat, reduce the inner problems, stomach problem, liver problem, like that problems. Around that area, the plants will be there. So see many plants here to reduce the heat.
ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఇస్ హై టెంపరేచర్.
Yeah. See,
తింటున్నాను.
each one plug one leaves and can taste.
చేస్తా నన్ను
Yeah.
నాకు ఇస్తావా?
ఏం చేస్తావు?
నాకు బిట్టర్ ఉంటారు.
ఇది బిట్టర్ ఉండదు.
ఒక్కొక్కరికి అది. Who wants to taste and try?
Take one
Who wants to taste?
like that.
Huh?
It binds the water content like that. Quality is there. ஒண்ணும் ஆகாது.
எல்லாரும்
Energy
சாப்பிடு.
கிடைக்கும்.
It doesn't taste like anything.
Energy கிடைக்கும்.
పట్టుకోండి.
Yeah.
యూజెస్ అడ్వాంటేజెస్.
To make with kasayam, it reduces the body heat. It's supposed to kidney function.
ఓకే.
See the leaf structure.
లీవ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ మూన్ ఇది
మూనా?
త్రిశూలం. It looks like త్రిశూలం, no?
లివర్.
For me, it look like త్రిశూలం.
It looks like Ali.
ఇది ఒక
Okay.
శివుడి మీద పెడతారు.
అది
யாரு? நான் எப்பவும் செப்பல் போட மாட்டேன். 4-5 leaves
ఓ
you release from the trustee. These leaves.
Okay. This one. Which plant will remove iron deficiency?
ఐరన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ.
Climber and which one climber? You have the climber. That is
సీతాఫలం.
no. This is see, something different.
Yeah.
I am saying about this climber
ఓకే.
over the tree.
Yellow color.
మిల్క్.
There is milk coming now with yellow color.
ఎల్లో కలర్ మిల్క్.
Which plant having yellow color milk is it is more energy. It contains more strength.
ఓకే.
Like that plants you can make like kasayam and can drink.
ఇన్ జనరల్ వైట్ కలర్.
Generally milks come white color only. It contains more golden atom like that things also. We use like these leaves for skin care process.
ఓకే.
So it give more strength for skin.
లీఫ్ నేమ్.
It is kind of palai. We say there are so many with milky plants. That variety is called palai.
Palai.
This city also palai variety. Like there so many in that family to climbers up to tree.
అయ్యా ముగర్చి అంటే
See the small leaves here. See this bunch.
Okay.
These all are the same.
Very good.
This is called Sakarai Kolli.
Oh,
Sakarai
Kolli.
Sakarai Kolli.
You can get that.
Killing the sugar.
Leaves.
சக்கரை இருக்கு மாதுல.
சர்க்கரைய கில்
சர்க்கரை
பண்ணும்,
இருக்காது, சர்க்கரைய
கொல்லி வைக்கும்.
இது பண்ணும்.
கொல்லி வைக்க.
Uses the advantages.
For diabetics, this is the
Diabetes.
main ingredients. All diabetic medicine. No, you can eat, but if you eat 3 leaves,
Into a
after
full
you
day you will
eat the sweet
food.
taste. Much nice. Little bitter taste.
అంటే షుగర్ కిల్లర్.
No.
ఇక పాలలో వేసుకొని తింటే ఒంట్లో విషం ఉంటే పోతుంది అంట.
ఇందాక చూసాం అదే.
అందుకే అప్పుడే తిన్నాను
But
కదా.
it grow small. It seems like மிளகா செடி இருக்குல்ல,
ఆ, ఆ.
அது மாதிரி தான் இது இருக்கும்.
Like it.
அதனால இதுக்கு பேரு மிளகா நங்கைன்னு ஒரு பேர் உண்டு.
మెలగా నంగై,
மிளகா நங்கை, நிலவேம்பு.
నిలవెంబు, మెలగా నంగై. కాస్మెటిక్స్.
Yeah.
These are chopped.
For skincare, you can use these flowers, leaves, this milk. See how much milk coming.
Good that.
నేమ్
Alari.
అలరి పువ్వు.
In this, there are so many plants. These plants coming from foreign, it won't have value.
They are only ornamental plants. It's only for
Yeah.
show. They
It's
keep
only
it for
for
show.
Like fake.
Yes. Hey.
ఇవన్నీ ఆర్నమెంటల్.
అవును.
అంటే ఏమి
బోగన్ విల్ల, బోగన్ విల్ల. అది షో పెట్టుకుంటారు.
Nothing to say from foreign.
తల,
Yeah.
అదే తాత తల.
That leaves squeeze and put in the cut or wound. It stops the blood leakage first. Immediately,
Blood
any
clotting
wound, it
also.
make clot the blood. Then it will cure the wound very fast.
Hmm.
Hmm? Value of
ఇదా ఇదా క్రీపర్.
அது வந்து சக்கரை கொல்லி.
ఇదా సకర కొల్లి.
ఇందాక సగర్పల్లినే.
అదే కొల్లి. ఈ క్రీపర్ ఆడ సరిగ్గా కనపడలే.
It will climb very
ఆ.
like weed.
ఆయన
That
follow right.
like this here. ఇది కుంగమరం.
పుంగమరం.
ఏంటది?
ఎంత బాగుంది.
In this seed we can make oil.
ఎస్ ఐ నో
That is used for all vata problem.
అది
Used
పువ్వు
for
కూడా
pain
ఇస్తున్నాం.
pain.
ఓయ్ ఓయ్ ఓయ్, కోతులు కాదు, మీరు దిగండి.
పామ్ అంటారు అదేనా? పామ్ లీఫ్.
కాదు కాదు, పామ్ లీఫ్ టెంకాయ చెట్టు.
You see many bats are flying and coming eat. See what are the material birds and monkey eating? We can eat. What we eat, we are watching monkey and bat like that things. By the way, only we can understand, we can eat. We have no sense to
ఓయ్
know the food. A goat or any monkey can realize it is edible or not. But we have no that qualities.
ఇఫ్ ఎనీథింగ్.
Only we watch the other animals things. By the way, only we can understand it is edible material.
ఆవార పువ్వు, ఆవార పువ్వు.
It makes more heat, na. By the way,
ఇది నల్ల మరం అండి. इसमें क्या होता है?
అది తెల్ల మరమే లేరా, నల్లది కాదు.
it is
Mara milla.
variety.
तुलसी वैरायटी.
Yeah. Okay, within eat one leaves won't make problem.
ఇదే ఆవార.
Yeah.
ఆవార ఏడంటే తిరుగుతుంటది.
डोंगरा चटनी जैसे बना सकते हैं.
அதான் அங்க பார்த்தோமே. இது வேற.
இது வேற.
எல்லாம் ஒரே மாதிரி
இது இதுக்கு பேரு தாலிக்கொடி.
தாலிக்கொடி.
இந்த இலைய பாருங்க, டைமண்ட் ஆட்டி மாதிரி இருக்கும்.
தாலிக்கொடி అంట.
தாலிக்கொடி. It also give milky. இதெல்லாம் வந்து we can make கசாயம் like ஆரம்பு.
అయ్యా இந்த செடி బబుల్.
Eat the leaf flower. Yeah.
வேலிப்பட்டி.
வேலிப்பருத்தி.
எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க?
Use for like vata problem.
Oh, what is that?
What is this?
What is that, sir?
It is kind of variety of groundnut plant.
Oh, okay.
You can see that same structure of flower, leaves, stem, everything.
ఓకే
If you get that root means in the root also there are like small balls. கடலை செடியிலையும் பால்ஸா விட்டமின் அம்சம் சேர்க்கும். இது மாதிரி இதுவும் சேர்க்கும். இது பிளான்ட் ஆல்சோ.
அது பபுள் ட்ரீ அந்த இது.
డబుల్ ట్రీ యూజ్ నథింగ్
டூத் பேஸ்ட்.
టూత్ పేస్ట్
See, seems like cobra.
Oh.
The flower seems like cobra.
బయటిది ఒకటి
I can show you. See this. It seems like cobra.
ఎస్ ఎస్ ఎస్
Oh yeah.
The structure seems like cobra. Cobra open
Hey, Agra.
and it leave the tongue like outside.
देखो नाका सूपी नन्नरी.
Nannari.
हाँ.
It give little smell, but the root get means it give more smell.
విత్ స్మెల్ ఎస్ ఎస్
అది పేరు
పేరు
Katu tulasi.
కాటు తులసి. ఓకే. అడవి తులసి అంటారా?
చాలా స్మెల్
Original bubble.
ఓకే.
It is foreign plant.
ఫారిన్.
They have some value,
In English is it one?
especially for women to make strengthen the uterus, ovary, like that things also quality is there. And this flower, if you make like boil with
Tea.
milk,
టీ.
you can make like tea and drink. It activate your brain function and nerves.
ఓ.
It reduce the tension. Basically, it reduce the tension in the nervous system.
ఓ.
By the way, it heals many things.
Okay.
Especially for women, it is very good medicine for.
This is Shiva's favorite.
This white also there.
Oh.
వైట్ శంఖ పుష్పి.
Yeah.
ఎంత అందంగా ఉన్నారా మోడల్ లాగా. కాల భైరవ్.
Kala Bhairav. This is the main flower to offer.
இது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க
இது
பேரு?
எருக்கு.
எருக்கு.
In this is violet color. Another variety white
White
flower
flower.
is there. That white flower contains more mercury power. So it is very effective medicine for activate the nerves.
What do you want?
So in
రే
medicine,
రే రే
oil
నువ్వు
process
చెప్తుంటే
we
నాకు
use that
కూర్చుంటుందిరా.
white variety more. In our process we use that. You try and eat the leaf,
I ate it.
then you try the aracontra.
అరకొండ్రై.
This vegetation.
ఇది
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్ ఫర్
Jalbu.
It is being kacha. If dry means this skin become like pasty. This
Aida,
is
inga.
bitter and
Inga.
sour taste.
ఓకే
So that we make kasayam and it used for blood
smells very bad.
purification and it reduce, it activate liver and the spleen function also.
విచ్ వన్ అన్న
It is.
ఓ ఓ తకాలి మన తకాలి.
దిస్ యూస్ ఫర్
Cough and cold.
కాఫ్ అండ్ కోల్డ్
Yeah.
శ్రీవిద్యార్థికి ఇవ్వచ్చు.
First,
వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ నేమ్?
I said later.
గుర్తొచ్చినట్టు.
This you see, this
Ah.
is palperiki.
పాలు పెరికి.
Yeah, it is more energetic herbal plant.
ఓయ్ బీన్స్.
Avarakai.
బర్రీ.
This climber we already said that na kattukodi. It has the fruits. Plant. Kattukodi.
కట్టుకొడి.
Yeah.
కట్టుకొడి. ఆవారపు. Kodi means
Chastity,
climber.
they can munch this leaf.
पंजाब में बोलते हैं कुड़ी को लड़की
हाँ foodie. हाँ.
How will it taste? Yeah. How will it taste?
Taste not much different.
हाँ.
The chastity. Palapalam, jackfruit. This is jackfruit.
వంశీ పోదాం పదా.
ஏன் பிடிக்காது?
இப்படி இப்படி. ஆ.
So,
Yeah, even like asthma.
Atma.
ఆ.
This is
Asthma.
effective medicine.
ఆస్తమా.
This, there is fruit.
ఆ.
That fruit after dry,
One guy.
you make it tooth powder. To give more strength
Tooth
to
powder,
the
I mean-
root and
दूध.
it kills the root worms also.
ये गवर्नमेंटल
That is
प्लान.
no, that is palperiki. It makes cleans the body.
This
To
is
make
the body.
yeah,
Yes.
palperiki.
పాలు పెరిగి. ఏయ్ యాడికి వినారు? ఓ. పాలు పెరిగి.
Help me.
నన్నారి.
Yeah, nannari.
ఆ.
ఎక్కడి నుంచి కనపడుతున్నాయి ఈ అప్పకి?
ఆ నీ కళ్ళు లేవా అనుకున్నాయి.
నేను చూస్తాను.
నన్నారి నన్నారి. నన్నారి సత్పరెలా.
शरबत कुरमा हाँ जिला शरबत.
நன்னாரே நன்னாரே நன்னாரே.
மஞ்சள் கொஞ்சம் மிளகு எல்லாம் சேர்த்து இடிச்சு உருண்டையா எடுத்து 2 உருண்டை 3 உருண்டை. It is kacha.
అచ్చా.
Become like reddish black color.
What is it?
This fruit.
అత్తిపలం.
Can you eat it?
Use it.
You can eat.
Use it. Benefit.
అత్తి పండు తింటే ఎట్టుంటుందా యూజ్ అది.
It is energetic material. That's all. Kacha will be bitter taste. Bitter or sour.
हाँ.
Try this.
अरे कच्चा.
How much? What do you feel?
ఓ మోకాళ్ళు నొప్పి వస్తాయి.
Okay, but the color will change. Reddish or black reddish. That is ripened.
आओ बैठ
ఆవు పేడ. దూద్ పేడ. సూపర్. కల్కి 2 మూవీలో అమ్మ వచ్చిందంటే అప్పుడు చెట్టు పడుతుంది.
There are some reddish color.
हाँ.
Black reddish color is there.
సంక.
That is well ripened.
Okay.
That give little tasty.
Okay.
These
are bitter.
Kachan, yeah. It will be bitter and sour taste. கட்டுக்கொடி சக்கரை கொல்லி இது மாதிரி ஐட்டம் நம்ம எத்தனை அடுக்கு இருக்கோ அத்தனை வருஷம் நம்ம ஈஸியா கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். அது மாதிரி வரும். இந்த நடு மையம் ஸ்டெம் வந்து கிழங்கு மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும்.
రోడ్ లో ఒక స్టెమ్ లాంటిది పెట్టి కోసిస్తారు తెలుసా, తిన్న లేయర్. నేను ఫోటో చూపిస్తాలే.
पाइनएप्पल है ఇది
కాదు,
இல்ல, இல்ல.
కింద యాపిల్.
That is the leaves, small leaves,
వాట్ యాపిల్.
tender. Like it will grow like this.
ఇదన్నది
What is he doing?
బట్టకు కూర్చుంది నాకెందుకు నొప్పి తెస్తుందా?
అయితే
నొప్పిస్తుందా?
Lay ఈచై మరం.
ఏయ్, చెయ్, పద, రా.
ఏయిచే మరం.
In this stem, it become seems like a tumor.
ఆకా, కమ్ కమ్ కమ్, విల్ గో.
Powder can be used for
నేనే.
pasting.
ఇక్కడ చూపేరా ఆయన మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
In the stem.
ఏదే.
It's like a tumor.
Yeah,
Okay, it is used for
make into like powder. Used for bone setting, all the things.
bone setting.
Okay.
Okay.
Setting.
Stretching.
When
Setting. Okay.
broken the bone and the joints,
పుత్తూరు
they
కట్టేస్తారు
make
కదా.
cut.
ఆ,
Puttur cut.
इसको मारो लिया
నానారే.
Nannar. And this name?
నన్నారి
Try.
సరక్ కొండ్రై.
Diabetes.
See this.
ఇదో 700 చూడరా, ఇన్ని సరక్ కట్టి కట్టి.
చాలా ఉన్నాయి.
ఓ,
The flower, if you see, very lengthy branches,
ఆ,
like hundreds of flowers will be there. In this nature, most of the plants leave the leaves.
Okay.
It seems like dry. After little bit, the summer start, it
Then
gives the
the-
flower and leaves.
Okay.
Hereafter, you can find many flowers.
Okay.
See, now the leaves tree getting flowering. So all flowers come.
There is another trick with
Yeah,